Good afternoon, YouTube. It's Richter94 here. Thought I'd give you guys a quick unboxing of something I picked up today. I wanted to go with a different curing system other than just mason jars or the C-Volt. So I was looking online and I found this at my local accessory shop. Shout out to the Hippie Co. So let's quickly open her up. Something that I didn't even know when I went to pick it up today was that it has its own hydrometer and temperature gauge right on the top of it. The Crypt came with an extra lockpick, a wire lock, combo lock, and I told him that I was trying to get into the solo cup challenge on the forum I'm in, so I asked him if he had any regular seeds to go, and he had some Afghani #1 here, regular seeds, so we're gonna pop them and get them going in our solo cup for this summer. Let's take a look at the stash jar. So we open her up and we got the temperature gauge and RH gauge right here on the top. We got a 4-way stash split. We got some Bovita packs that shout out, he threw out in with it. Some RH Stay Fresh packs that came with the Crypt. And then it's got these dividers that can be all split apart. They're all just attached to this middle piece, and there's another one halfway down there. You could throw it all together just like this, or you could just have it in a half sections. It's up to you. Again, this is Richter94 here, and this is the Crypt, the ultimate cylinder curing and freshness storage system. Alright, thank you very much. Again, give a shout out to Hippie Co. This is my man Mike, hooked us up today. Thank you very much.